Hello guys, this is Sammy from jvscode.net. You're welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to continue our coding exercise for freshers on map and flatMap. In our last video, we talked about map and we talked briefly about flatMap. So if you have not watched that video, please you may go back to the channel and just take a look at that video. Just watch that video and see what we did there so you can follow along with this. Okay, so let's get started. So here we can see that map and flatMap, they both actually take a mapping function which is applied to each element of a stream and return another stream, which means they take a stream of A and return a stream of B. That is data transformation. So they take a stream of A and transform that data and return the data in another form. So here we have the difference between the map and the flat map. Now, since we said that the mapping method of both methods actually returns another stream, which means when we give them a stream, we get back another stream. Depends on the we get back another stream, which means when they receive a stream as an input, they return another stream as output. But the flat map actually has a step further than what the map does. The flat map not only transforming the data, but actually has the power, the capability to flattening the data. For example, if a map, can return streams of stream from a given stream, multiple streams from a given stream, but the flat map can actually flatten those streams into a single stream and return that single stream. So this is the difference between the map and the flat map. The flat map actually does both transforming the data and flattening the data, which is combining data of different sources into one source and return one single stream. So let's take example of this question. So we are given two lists of numbers, and we are asked to return one single list containing all the elements of both lists, which means we're going to combine these two lists together using the either map or the flat map. So that is what we're going to look at right now. So let's go back to IntelliJ and see how we can get this done. All right, so here is IntelliJ. So I'm going to open up this project and right click on this package and create a new Java class. So I'm just going to name this class as map versus flat map. So just hit enter, and here we are going to have our main method, and straight ahead we're going to have list of integers. So we're going to have two lists of integer. So we're going to call this one list 1 and arrays dot as list. So we're going to have list of integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to have this here, and quickly I'm going to duplicate this and change this name to list 2, and in here we're going to start from number 8. So you're going to have 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to stop there. We're going to stop at 10. And after this, I'm going to have another list to combine these two lists. So we have this integer, of course. So it's going to be list 3, right? And this one also is going to be arrays dot as list. So this time around, we're going to pass list 1 and list 2 in here. I'm going to pass these two here. Yeah, we're having an error Okay, so this one should be list of list here. Cool. And I'm just going to change this one here. I'm going to change the name of this variable to be more readable. So this one will be list because it's combining the two lists of this. So let's say it's going to be list of lists. Okay, so this one is the list of lists. So the first thing we're going to do is to check out how to get this input out using the map. So we're going to see the output of using the map, and secondly we're going to see the output of the flat map. So number one, here we have number one. So I'm just going to comment this like doing it with map, right? So just yeah, doing it with map here. And I'm just going to grab this list of lists and stream it. You're going to stream this, right? And we're going to map this list.stream, and we're going to take another map again and pass in lambda expression. So here I'm going to break this down, and I'm going to break this down too. So here we are going to pass in a lambda expression. So we're going to give it an argument this, and we're going to pass in our arrow function. So we're going to stream this again, and so we're going to collect this. We're going to collect this into a list, right? Collector. So have the collectors is here to collect collectors dot to list. So we're going to collect this into a list. So I'm just going to break these down as well. Let's break it down. And without further wasting of time, so we're just going to sys them out. So we're just going to say dot for each. So we just print them out without any delay. Dot out dot print line. So this method reference. So we're using the method references here. Okay, so this one is with map. So I'm going to quickly sys out so we can see the differentiate this. So here we have, okay, let me just copy the same here and paste in here, doing it with map, right? Cool. And I'm going to break this down to a new, I'm going to put it into a new line manually. So I'm just going to copy this same and paste it below this so we can do with the flat map. So I'm going to put it here. I'm going to change this to number 2, doing it with flat, map. Cool. So here I'm going to update this as well, like doing it with flat map. Yeah. So right now I'm going to grab same list of lists and stream it. So we're going to stream it, but this time around we're not going to use the map, rather we're going to use the flat map and pass in this dot stream as well. The only difference here is that we're using the flat map, and straightforward, we're just going to collect. The collector is here again to collect, right? So we just collect into our list. So let's break it down. And same, we're going to sys out. No time, just sys out and see what is in there, right? Dot out. Dot print line. So here we're using the method reference here. So basically what we've done here, I'm going to break this down so we can see it clearly. So what we've done here is that we're using the map to get out the values here from the stream, from the list of lists given to us. This is the list of lists here. And here you can see that we're using we're calling this map twice to get out the data into a list, get out the integers into a list so we can print them out. But right here, we are calling the flat map just once to collect the data into a list and print it out. So now I'm going to run this application, and we're going to see the output to compare. So I can understand the difference between using the map and the flat map. That is what the map does and what the flat map does. So let's run our program and see the output. All right, so we can see our output here that the map actually returns two streams from the given stream, while the flat map returns one stream, which means the flat map combines flattening the data of the two streams into one single stream and return the values. Map and flat map in a nutshell. So the map takes a stream as an input and returns another stream, whereas the flat map takes a stream of stream as input and returns a single stream. That is the flattening. So it combines the element of the multiple streams together into a single stream and return. So that is that is the work of flat map, flattening the data, removing the extra layer of nesting around input values, and return that stream as a single stream. So guys, thank you for watching. This brings us to the end of this exercise. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel to help me grow this channel. Thank you for watching, and hoping to see you in our next exercise. Thank you, and have a good day. Goodbye.